Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn with Christian.
Now, let us learn how to create a list from existing sequence. We can use the following syntax. Variable name is equal to list bracket open. Any sequence can be given in inverted comma. See the below example. A is a variable, list is a method to use to create a list from existing sequence, and inside the bracket we are having a value in inverted comma hello. It work only with string value, not with integer value. While creating the existing sequence, we must have to put string value. If you put 1 2 3 4 5 without inverted comma, which is a number value or integer value, you are unable to create a list from existing sequence. Now, I have created a list of hello. All the elements are separated by comma inside the square bracket and closed with single inverted comma. We cannot put any number value inside the bracket. If you want to create a number value list, then you can put in single inverted comma or double inverted comma. Then the number will be treated as a string value and a list of sequence will be generated. See this example. I have added 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 enclosed in single inverted comma. When I will create a list for this sequence, I'll get everything in a square bracket separated with comma. Now, can we ask user to enter some value and based on that value we can create a list? Yes. Now we are going to learn creating list by user input. A list can be input by user as string input. A string is a sequence and a string input to list. We'll treat the string sequence as a list. Now, see this example. For this example, I have taken Jupyter Notebook. You can work with ideally Python also, or you can go for your Android PyDroid app. User input list is a variable name and list is a method which is used to create a list from existing sequence, but I have not given any existing sequence. I have given input and what I want, enter list elements. When I will run this line, I'll get a message, enter list elements. Now I have entered 1 2 3 4 5 6. When I will print this list, I will get all the element separated by comma inside the square bracket. So, dear children, in this example you can see we are asking user to enter any value. Whatever value entered by user, it is going to create a list.